When we're ready to replace the brooms on the A-Series, the Tier 4 final sweepers, of course, what we'll do is initialize the console. We'll go to maintenance. And then, of course, you can see right here on the top, it says broom motor open. If you push that and hold it, you can see here that turns green, and of course it says brooms rotate for maintenance. Now, once that happens, the brooms can actually rotate, and you can take the replace the broom bristles, the segments, very, very easy. So we will demonstrate. You will need a 1/2" impact, a 9/16 socket, and definitely a 15/16 socket. So as the broom, of course, rotate freely right now, so what we're going to do is we're going to change a segment at a time. So first of all, we're going to take the alignment 9/16 bolt out. Always make sure you do not lose your lock washer. And then, of course, we're going to switch to the 15/16 and take the segment out. Once the segment is out, of course, you can replace it with a new one. Snug the alignment screw just a little bit. That will help you align the 5/8 bolts. Once all the segments are replaced, then actually you can do the opposite side of the sweeper.